Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the future of Avalanche AVAX, utilizing Elliott Wave technical analysis to forecast its price trajectory for 2025. Currently, AVAX is trading at approximately $18.79. Notably, we've observed a series of upward movements. A 15% rise, followed by 25%, then 20%, and recently, a 31% surge. This progression indicates strengthening bullish momentum. For the first time in this downtrend, AVAX's recent upward movement resembles a five-wave pattern, suggesting a potential trend reversal. However, caution is warranted. The critical support zone lies between $18 and $16.23. A decisive break below $16.23 could invalidate this bullish setup, potentially leading to further declines. Conversely, maintaining support above this zone could propel AVAX towards key resistance levels, first at $22.70 and subsequently at $25.60. Zooming out, it's evident that AVAX has been forming lower lows and lower highs. Therefore, confirming a bullish reversal necessitates a clear five-wave advance above $25.60, followed by a higher low in a corrective wave 4, and then another higher high in wave 5. In summary, while early signs of a potential reversal are emerging, it's crucial for AVAX to hold above $16.23 and break through subsequent resistance levels to validate a sustained bullish trend. As always, the crypto market is highly volatile. Ensure you conduct thorough research and consult with financial advisors before making any investment decisions. Thank you for joining us. If you found this analysis insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the crypto market.